Hi guys, my name's Sean from Concept Chemicals and welcome to another Ask the Professor. And today's Ask the Professor it's about this little product, a product called Zirconite Sea Clear. We're getting a request from people, how do they actually prepare the glass? And realistically, what are the key feature benefits of this particular product? So Sea Clear itself is a glass coating, it's a window coating. It's a water-based nano coating. Anybody can use it without running the risk of doing any damage. It obviously increases the repellency on the glass, which obviously in turn stops the dirt buildup. So if we stop the dirt buildup, we actually stop the dirt on the wiper blades, we actually prolong the life of the wiper blades and also reduce the risk of the scratch marks on the glass. So let me show you how to prepare the surface and let me show you how to apply the product. Anybody can use it. Once you've seen it, once you've done it, you're going to want to buy it. So the first step or first stage of actually preparing the glass was obviously when we got the car in initially, we actually did it a nice shampoo, so we've actually cleaned the car. So the second step now is to actually remove any surface contaminant from the glass itself. This could be metal particles from power lines or chemical fallout. So this is quite an easy product to use. So we're just going to clay the surface area. So we're using a clay lube, and we're just going to nice and gently run the clay bar over the glass just to pick up any contaminant. So when we actually seal the glass, we're actually going to seal it and it's going to get a nice even coating on the glass. So the third step after claying the surface area, the windscreen, we're going to actually just clean everything up with the Zirconite glass cleaner. So very, very quick, very simple and easy to use product, but more importantly, it actually works. It actually does a really, really good cleaning job. So let's do it. The final step is the glass coating itself, the Sea Clear coating itself. So basically what we do with this, we basically put 5 spots onto the glass, half a windscreen, and then obviously we just make sure we've got a nice even coverage over the surface, let it flash off and then just buff it up with a microfiber cloth. So let's do it. There you've got it guys, that's the Zirconite Sea Clear. You've seen the surface preparation, you've seen the application of the product, and all that remains for you guys to do now is actually go out and buy it. If you like it, hit the like button. If you've got any comments, put them in the comment section below. Failing that, I'll see you very, very soon for another Ask the Professor.